So we're out here working in the shop today. Last time we went out to the track, we had an issue. We were I think we were 5/10 slow from our PB, and we couldn't figure it out. We had a couple of other issues we were worrying about. We had a tranny leak and some other stuff, new car blues. So working. Hey, so check this out. So we're nutting, bolting the car, get ready to go out in a week or so to get testing, and we find this. We looked and looked. So we've been looking and looking all around, and we could never find, and I think we found our miss, guys. Look at this wire. We were checking the bolts. That's what we found. Let's see. Look at that. That's a spark plug wire. So
I'm Dan Morgan.